I had avocados. I took the pit and soaked it in water and then peeled the brown peel off of it and stuck toothpicks in it and suspended it in water. Took a while, but eventually the bottom breaks and the root forms. I change the water out every other day, and you see that then the top starts to sprout. It starts to sprout. So I did the same thing with these. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now I'm going to plant these 2 and just keep them going. This, I don't know why. There is only 1 seed in here, but it's got 2 sprouts. I'm just going to let it go. The soil is just, it's our clay soil from Tennessee with compost, half and half compost, half clay mixed together. And then I'm just careful when I plant the root not to really disturb the root. That's from the compost. And then I take the toothpicks out, and it'll make it really hard to do this without, but you get the idea. It'll look like that. Then I just keep watering them, and then I'm going to bring them inside and put them on a shelf with the grow light over the winter. And I have, I think, 4 more inside, so they don't always survive, but it's pretty neat that they grow.